Hi everyone, welcome to our presentation of self-employed management application utilizing progressive web application architecture. I'm here with my team, Robert Moore, Vishal Chalogan, and Sharia Shant. So the problem we find in the current job management application which are available are very compiled with large data for large corporations, and this causing self-employers and tradesmen difficulty to navigate this website and to do the service. Most of the web apps are team-oriented and filled up with too many links. Some of the applications are backdated and got very low performance capability. Many of the apps are need very high speed internet to operate. Self-powered will be a job management web application which will be built as a progressive web application and also intends to achieve user-oriented design, fast performance capability with offline accessibility. How might we improve our web application so that our potential users are useful based on these criteria? Easy to access, ready to install, and fast performance under difficult conditions. So when we looked at our stakeholders, the main stakeholder of power, self-powered will be the self-employed workers, whom can be tradesmen, online sellers, freelancers, developers, or any service holders. Since self-powered is built with the simplicity to work for the people who are working individually. As self-powered is fast and offline accessible, workers from big and small corporations can also use the application anywhere at any time. This app has been developed to especially work for the remote workers who don't have much internet connection with also they lack in high speed modem device. So self-powered can diminish this problem for people working in remote and help them organize their tasks. So if you look at the similar products which are available at the market at the moment, out of this, some of the most popular are Notion, Monday.com, ClickUp, and Trello. Most of them are not PWAs, which takes away all of the latest advantage of modern apps. Many of the apps are very heavy weighted and filled with large database and links. The existing apps mostly work on cross-platform and also team-based. Tags and schedule meeting are also available in all of them. Now I will hand over to Vishal to describe the development and research part of the
Thank
project.
you, Saria. So let's talk a little bit about the research done by our team for this project. Job management web applications are a must-have for businesses because of the benefits they provide. Hence, we conducted a case study of already existing work management applications and concluded that there has not been much research of these apps for self-employed workers. We found a qualitative research gap between the organization worker and self-employed workers regarding the usage of job management applications. And in recent years, developers are having to cater to the demands of the users to develop any web applications. The majority of them are leaning towards creating a PWA since it is faster and easier to use. PWAs have been embraced and constructed by several top firms, including Starbucks, Forbes, the Financial Times, and Pinterest, and they have significantly increased their user engagement. Since PWAs provide easy navigation with minimal design, which function in both offline and online environment, the decision to develop a self-employed management application was using PWA was made. So for the development, we use the Ionic framework and Firebase Cloud Storage as our database. Testing was conducted using Jest and auditing was done through Google's Lighthouse. So let's talk about what happened after our development. We conducted user testing and analyzed the result, where we found that 50% of our users had some difficulties while adding new clients or jobs in their profile, and about 80% of the users mentioned that navigating through the app was not completely smooth. Furthermore, users had difficulties in editing the jobs and tasks they had created inside the app. So we focused on these issues and polished our app in our final development phase. So now I would like to, Robert is going to take over from the next slide.
Thanks, Michelle. So I'm going to talk through the features of self-powered. Self-powered allows you to create clients, and inside those clients, create jobs, and inside those jobs, create tasks. So with that workflow, it's a lot easier to manage your jobs and clients. There's many features with the app. Everything is searchable through keywords. So if you have a lot of tasks at once, you can easily search them. You can have important clients. So those clients that are really urgent for you, you can focus on. You can upload documents to each job. So if you have requirement documents a requirement document or a meeting recording that you need to attach to a job, it's easily there for you to find. You can also create tags. So if one is an important job or it's labeled as website and you have many website, you can easily filter those. You can add, delete, and also you can view all tasks from all jobs if you want to have an overview of your whole workflow. There's countdown, so you know when things are due, and alerts come up on the screen when it's within 5 minutes of being due and due. The other thing is it works completely offline using Google Firebase caching. So if you need to, if you're out in the bush or you're working offsite and you don't have a reliable internet connection, you can rely on our app to be able to still work in that environment. You can manually complete jobs as well if you've completed it early, and same with tasks. That is the main features of our app. And with this application, we hope to create an easily manageable workflow for freelancers, contractors, and the self-employed. Thank you for listening to our presentation.